In this video, we're going to show you how to activate the assisted mode of your excavator. Turn on auto excavating in mode options. And then adjust to the appropriate gear. Click on Start button. The bucket is moved to the targeted position and is adjusted to desired attitude. Then, press button 1 of left handle to set benchmark. Press button 2 and button 3 on the left handle at the same time to start operation. Release button 3 after starting, and keep button 2 pressed. The assisted mode enables operators of all skill levels to perform complex construction operations. Operate by only maneuvering the stick while the system automatically controls the boom, bucket, and other quick couplers as required. In order to activate the E-fence boundary, you need to set the bucket at a certain height, then click on E-fence in Settings. And then enter the value for limitations in height, depth and range, respectively. The E-fence has been activated. The system will restrict the excavator from moving outside the set area.